Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll just explain two of the powers that were requested to me in the previous video, which are just modifying player spawn and active self. So let's begin. So I'll go into my data pack, which is in .minecraft, saves our world, and then in data packs, and then inside of powers, I'll create a new power file, which will be spawn.json. So for this, we'll go to the wiki and type in modify spawn, then go to the first power and then copy the example and then just paste it here. So this will be first of all the type, which is modify player spawn, then the dimension, which could be the end, nether, or the overworld, or if you're using a mod, then use the mod ID for that origin, that mod. Then there will be the structure, which in this case I've set to entity. And then there's the spawn strategy, which could be center or default. So center spawns you in the middle, and default is just the default setting for where you spawn. You could also do something like overworld, and then inside of structure I'll do village, and then add a biome, which could be Minecraft plains. So this makes you spawn in a plains village. But for now, I'll just do the end bit. So this spawns me inside of the end in an entity, and I'll just do name and description. So name and description, which is just spawn. Now save this and add this power to our origin. So this will be ender spawn, spell it correctly. And then let's go inside of the game, do /reload, and then use our orb to select our origin. So you can see this is our spawn power. And if I select the origin and do /kill, you can see that I spawn in the end and inside of an end city. Next, I'll make a powers, which is an active self power, which allows you to do an action on the press of a button. So for that, I've created an example already. So the type will be origins active self. Then there's the entity actions, which are all the actions that are done in the power. Here's the list. Then if for the entity action, I'm doing origins heal and amount 6. So this basically heals 3 hearts. And after that is the cooldown, which is in ticks. So this is 5 seconds. Then the HUD render, which is the cooldown bar. You can set it to, it should render to true or false according to your liking, which will just enable or disable the bar. And then there's the bar index, which is icon and the color of the bar. Then there's the key, which is the key that is used to activate this power, which can be the 2 provided by Origins mod, the 8 provided by the extra Origins mod, or the ones provided by Minecraft. It's your choice. And if you're using the primary key, you don't even need to put this. It will do that by default, but because I'm using the secondary key, I'm adding this. And then there's the name and description for the power. So I'll show this power in game. If I go to game mode survival and go punch in under enderman, you can see that I have lost 3.5 hearts. And now when I press my secondary key, you can see that I healed 3 hearts, and then a cooldown bar appeared, and after that I can do my power again, but during the cooldown period I cannot do my power. That's basically it for this video, and if you understood something, consider leaving a like, and also think about subscribing, because I am going to be uploading more tutorials and also some origin ideas made by me. and also some other non-origin related content, because this is not just a origins channel, so keep an eye out for that. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video, and goodbye.